Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel where lifestyle meets career growth, inspiration, fashion and everything in between. On this channel, I share real life strategies for creating impactful content, building your digital presence and navigating career and creativity with purpose. If you are all about simplifying your content strategy, building your digital presence and showing up with the right strategy, make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay with me till the end. This video brings us to the end of the series on introduction to content creation, and today we are diving into one of the most overlooked aspects of content creation, which is clarity. Before you start filming or planning your next content, I want you to pause and ask yourself these two questions. What is my message? Who are my target audience? Clarity helps you define your message and understand the people you are trying to reach so that every video, caption, or story actually speaks to someone. Clarity gives your content direction. If you don't know what you want to say or who you are speaking to, content creation will feel confusing and forced. You will find yourself posting just for vibes and visibility. Once you know your message and audience, showing up online will become easy because you start communicating with clarity and purpose. Clarity helps you speak to the right audience, and I want you to understand this important point. Not everyone online is your target audience. So having clarity will help you identify who you are really creating content for, their goals, their struggles, and what kind of content they find helpful. That way, instead of just creating content with vibe, your content will start to feel like a real conversation with the right people. The one who listens, engage and come back for more. Just like how you find my content engaging and keep supporting me with your engagement. That is the power of clarity. It connects you with your community. Clarity saves you time. You know that moment when you sit for hours trying to create what to post, writing, deleting, and still not feeling sure. That is exactly what happens when you are not clear about your message or goal. It's like having a filter. Clarity helps you focus on what matters and saves you from getting lost in the noise. Clarity keeps you consistent. One big reason people struggle to stay consistent is because they don't know what they are showing up for. When you are clear about your message, your audience, and your goal, creating content will no longer feel like a chore, and you will be more intentional with what you post online. When you have clarity, ideas start flowing faster because you already know what fits your purpose and what doesn't. You spend less time overthinking and more time creating content that actually move your audience. You will start showing up with ease because you know exactly what you stand for and what your audience expects from you. You will stop comparing your journey to others or feeling like you have to do what everyone else is doing just to stay visible. Clarity gives you that steady rhyme that makes your brand feel familiar and relatable, even on days when you don't post that much. That is how your voice, tone, and style will stay aligned across all platforms, whether it's Instagram, YouTube, or LinkedIn. Because when you are clear, you will not just create content, you will create connection. You will show up with more peace, more purpose, and more authenticity, and your audience can feel that. Clarity gives you that confidence to create from a place of purpose, not pressure. So before you post or film again, take a step back and get clear first. Because clarity isn't just the start of a good content, it's the foundation of a great result. If this video helped you understand why you need clarity to create content better, please share it with someone who needs it. Give me a thumbs up and drop a comment below. I remain your very own creative content strategist, and my goal is to help creators and business owners show up confidently online with videos, SEO strategies, and content that help you get found. I have linked my website below for free resources on content marketing. And if you want regular behind the scenes tips, head over to Instagram and connect with me there. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.